Did you know that you can change the font in your Claude AI account? And I'm going to show you step by step how to actually do this. So once you sign into Claude, just simply click your profile on the lower left side, click on settings, and you want to go to where it says appearance. And under the appearance, you have, of course, the color mode, but you also have chat font. And you can basically choose the default one. You can choose a match, the one from your system. You can choose a dyslexic friendly font as well, but you also have the one from your system. And if you want to actually change the font to make it something that you really want, I recommend that you change the font on your PC, because once you change the font on your PC, then you can easily go ahead and have that same font on Claude as well. Now you may be wondering, okay, how do I actually do that? Then once you go ahead and select, for example, match system, you can go ahead and click your Windows key on your keyboard if you're on a Windows PC, and you can type in fonts, right? And it's under your control panel. You can click on that, and you basically need to make changes to your fonts from here by choosing whatever fonts you want. And these are the fonts that is in Windows PC, and you can just basically select a font that you want, and you can use that font on your PC, and that's going to detect as your system font, and you'll be able to use the same font within the chat. And that's it, guys.